I knew I wanted to be a doctor from a really early age. I had played lots of sports. Fortunately, I myself didn't get injured very often, but watching your teammates, watching my brother get injured, and then watching them come back was the thing that I thought was really cool. That you could either have a surgery or be in a cast or do appropriate rehab for a while and then get back to doing the things that you loved. My name's Tyler McGregor. I'm a sports medicine and arthroscopy orthopedic surgeon at Southman Orthopedics, and I'm board certified. Sports medicine and arthroscopy is a lot of regenerative sort of surgeries where we work with soft tissues, cartilage, tendon repairs, things like that. Sports medicine was great, because a good fit for me, just with my background playing multiple sports growing up. It parlays well into a very wide patient population, right? We take care of extremely high-level athletes here as being part of this group and covering Notre Dame, but we also have a tremendous amount of the community population, right? They're the large majority of our patients, and getting those people back to doing the things that they like to do for both their mental and physical health is equally as important. What I love most about what I do, it's a tough question because I like a lot of it. It's a very rewarding profession. When people have gotten back or gotten the pain relief that they've been looking for a really long time, and seeing how grateful people are, being a part of that process along with our therapists and our non-operative team is really, really rewarding.